So I have not done a video review before, but this is my review of the Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer 360. Initially when I got it, I was excited, and then I was bummed because it wouldn't fit my favorite Pampered Chef cookie sheet. But let me tell you a little bit about this. So here's some good information to know. So you have the weight capacity of the racks, so that's really good to know. They give you a 90-day money-back guarantee. However, I have yet to find if they warrant this piece of equipment. So warranty I don't know about. I plan on calling tomorrow to find out. So you get your owner's manual. You get a quick start guide for all your main features of it. You also get this handy dandy little cookbook with lots of recipes in it. And here is the main event, the actual oven itself, which is really pretty. All nice and shiny, and the door's dual. So sorry about the lighting in here, it's nighttime. So what you get is lots of stuff with this one. So you get the crisper basket, you get the rotisserie, so you get the rotisserie, and then of course the little handle to pull that out. You get an oven rack, you get the grill pan. Guess I could use the other side. I don't know, it's not smooth, it's got a thing, so I don't know if I could use it as a griddle or not. Why you would use that in the oven, I don't know. And then you have a tray. So you have a tray, and then you also have the bottom liner to protect the bottom. So that all fits in here nicely for storage. But what I really like, let me get this out of the way. And the reason that I have now decided to keep it is I was really concerned that my cookie sheet wouldn't fit. My casserole dish does fit, so that was a yay. However, my Pampered Chef cookie tray, the medium one, does not fit. So I almost sent this back until I realized that this is super deep. Now it goes past the rack, however, it still closes. So that's a win. So we're gonna keep it. Also, it has all these nice little presets up here. It is touch, not press, so I can turn on the light. Well, that's the light, but I had to wake it up. So there's the light for the oven. You can see it back in there. See all the cool little stuff in there. All right. The other nice thing that I found is that we use this to heat up our dog's food, because I make homemade dog food, and I only warm her food up in the morning, so I don't need it to be super high, and we need to do it for 8 minutes. So I put it on defrost, which the preset for defrost, oh, I went back to it. Okay, just learned something new. I've preset that. I don't know if that changes it. But that was for an hour, I believe. But anyway, I come back here, and whatever I set it at, if I don't change it, then when I come back next time and I just hit cancel there, it'll pop up, turn it on. I say, yes, that's what I want. And then do that. You have the red light saying it's heating, and the light comes on for a little bit and then it will shut off. It's only on for a brief time while this is running. Now this oven does have a cool down fan, so when you turn it off, the fan's going to continue running. I haven't read how long, but probably for about 5 minutes to cool it down, so that it doesn't injure it. It stays cool to the touch. Now, granted, my temperature is not that high, but I did have it up on 400 when I first got it, and everything stayed pretty cool. So that was great. If you want to turn it off, just touch cancel. Now it's blue, it's no longer heating, but the fan is going to stay on to cool it down. So that has a built-in timer. And you can see the light coming out, but I did not see, let's see, turn the knob, and that will change your presets. And you can change any of these presets that you want. So there's the air fry. If I want to put it on that, I just touch. Now it's going to heat up. You would think that it come out here, but after I heated it up, it didn't come out because I was touching all around here with it hot. Now I just got this, so it is still doing its little heat up and pop thing, but I expect that'll go away. Still have glue on it too. It's supposed to wipe it down. But yeah, it's pretty cool. See, the light went out. But if you want the light, just push the button and the light comes back on. Turn it off, turns it off. You can change your temperature. You can turn, I guess you can turn the fan off. I don't know. But time, light, start, pause, and cancel, aka stop. If you need to stop it, it doesn't say stop, but if you press cancel or touch cancel, it will stop. The fan keeps running. So I read in another review where somebody was having an issue with their oven, not this brand, but another one, and was complaining about that. And I noticed that the manufacturer said there's no stop button, but if you hit cancel, cancel is the same as stop. So fan's going to keep running. Oops. Turn the light out. It'll just sit there like that. It's really nice. See? It's nice and warm in there, but I did not feel anything coming out of the oven. So we'll see how it does. I just got it. So this is my review of the Emeril Lagasse French door 360 air fryer, aka toaster oven, cookie maker, rotisserie, griller, just whatever you want to do. In my case, my main use is to warm up my dog food and Red Baron pizzas. So this thing is nice and deep. It's not wide, but it is deep, and it's actually pretty compact. So go ahead and give it a try, see what you think.
Okay, please forgive my counter, but I needed to show you this Emeril Lagasse convection oven. It is wonderful. It does everything. So I'm going to do some toast in here. Look at how much room I have to put the toast in. That is the first thing. But the doors, they both swing at the same time, and you do want to hold them because they will close on you. But setting it for whatever toast, just set it, start. That's it. And then it's just a matter of waiting until it's done. I don't have to check on it. I don't have to do anything. And in fact, I'll be back. I'm going to run it. 6 minutes isn't quite dark enough for me, so I'm going to run it twice. And then we'll be back to see the results. Actually, I wanted to show you this while I was thinking about it. So let's say I want to see what's going on with my toast. It also has just a button light right there. And apologies for my counter, but this kitchen's kind of small. Okay, so not halfway through. So I went through one cycle and I turned my toast over. I like it a little bit darker. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. Oh. So, but I want to show you, cleanup is super easy. It's got this wonderful tray here. And once it's cooled down, I'll pull this out and just empty that tray. And this, I love this oven. This replaces my, I had one of the egg types shaped like an egg. And I'm in love with this. Well worth the cost.
So quiet. This is the most quiet operating air fryer I have ever seen. It's got a lot of easy to use selections here with a control knob and touch panel and LCD interface. Nice viewing panels. You have your easily identifiable levels. I put the tray on that level for steak, and put it on that level for rotisserie, right? With the hooks that hook into the turkey. You can see the steam rising off of it. It's a very sizable unit. Stainless steel, French door. Great reviews. It's actually rated #1 for this year. As far as, I guess bang for your buck. Sure, there's a lot more expensive ones out there in the, above $200 range, 400, etc. I didn't even look at those because I'm not interested, quite frankly, in that. But here you have it.
So I got it set on chicken at 375. It was for 45 minutes. And I'm noticing more. I don't know if I need to be concerned or not, but I might need to change my review. This is how the chicken. Oops. I don't know. Like, it's still cooking. And it is the first time I have heard this noise. Because normally when I use this machine, I always have it on bake for like 350. But like I said, it's on chicken. And this how it sounds. And I want to show y'all how it sounds when it's on bake. Might as well here. Okay. Bake. Start. See, it sounds so much. I don't get it. But to each his own. Alright.
It's our new toaster oven, Emeril Lagasse. Comes with a bunch of attachments. We don't use too many of them. We really just use these two. I bet you they were showing him a bunch of toaster ovens, deciding what to get. You open this up and then it closes. Bam! He was like, that's the one for me. Very hard to get this to close, not too slammy. Start it. Use the little button to go to the things. Then you have to press it to turn it off. You have to hold that. It's very loud. That's the only gripe with the thing. Super loud. Everything from opening it to turning it off to starting it. Beep, beep, beep. It's like a garbage truck backing up. But otherwise, pretty nice. Works pretty good.
Alright, so I love this thing, okay? That's the first thing. I love how touchscreen, everything is very good, works great, it's big, awesome. The only thing I don't like about this, and this is the only thing, is how hot this gets. All this entire door is extremely hot. The handles are warm. The handles are okay. But it gets extremely hot. So do not touch this. I've already burnt myself once. And I'm already thinking about kind of returning it, but I like it other than that, so I might as well just keep it. And it was a good price, so just be aware. Everybody in my household knows not to touch the door. I already had to talk with everybody, so something to think about.
So it comes with the rotisserie parts. This is the pickup, the rotisserie. This is what you put through the chicken, and this goes on the end of it. I don't even know what that piece is, but okay. This is a regular kind of like cookie sheet pan, square cookie sheet pan. This is the grill pan, and this is like an oven rack kind of piece. And here is the drip pan, and this is the basket. Okay.
I absolutely love this thing. And here's all the different options. I absolutely love it.
So it's a very easy reason why the top coil no longer works. It's because these connectors are really bad quality. The pink part just disintegrated. You don't want to be a father.
of it.